Find the best pre-preparatory, preparatory or primary school in London. This online course is brought to you by toplondonschools.com. This is lesson 1. Make the most of the benefits of this course. It's part of part A, leveraging this course's value. In this course, you will learn how to find a top school place for your child. The course has 4 elements. The first one is all about taking on our winning approach and unique principles. We will teach you the guiding principles that should guide your school search and that set very high standards. Then the next element is about developing relevant in-depth knowledge. In that element, you will learn specifically how the British school system works, what great schools teach. You will have enough actual knowledge in order to judge any other schools that you might research and in order to know what high standards are available. Then we move on and focus on best practices and how-tos. How do you actually find a top school? How do you secure a place? How do you build relationships throughout that process? And these 3 elements are supplemented by a couple of assignments. In these assignments, you will apply what you have learned to your situation, and these assignments give you already a great starting point. It's structured in 6 parts. Part A focuses on leveraging this course's value. We are currently covering that. Part B is following our winning approach and principles. This is followed by Part C, mastering the British education system, and Part D, advancing your school know-how. Lastly are Part E and F, identifying great schools, as well as securing a top school place. So this course has best practices and how-tos and in-depth knowledge, depending on which part you are currently focusing on. This course is designed for loving parents. This course is right for you if you want the best education for your child. If you want to find a home when not at home for your child. If your child needs a school when aged 4 to 11 or 4 to 13. If you will live in London. If you want to find a school on your own using the principles taught in this course. Or if you want to educate yourself and potentially seek help from an education advisor. Now, if you are an education advisor, you're welcome to take this course too. We just ask that you please do not use it for anti-competitive reasons and reference it should you refer to it. Generally, anyone taking this course is very welcome to use it for personal reasons, such as in the school search for their child. We just ask you that you please do not share the slides or the voice of this course. Taking a leading education course for London schools for children aged 4 to 11 and 4 to 13 years. This course is a leading course in its field, with its focus area and unique approach. While there are no guarantees, you should be able to achieve good to outstanding school choice performance if you follow this course's suggestions, all depending on your dedication. This course also helps you if you seek help from an education advisor. You will be super effective when interacting with them and form a knowledgeable team, likely resulting in an even better school choice performance. You will likely invest your funds more effectively since you already know basics, in-depth strategies, and will have thought through important points yourself. When speaking to schools, you are likely to make a lasting impression as being a knowledgeable and dedicated parent. Your goal of achieving a top school place for your child should be feasible with this course. There are many other benefits to taking this course. With all the know-how from this course, you are likely to make a better financial decision than you would otherwise make. Young education in London can be pricey, and every pound saved or well spent matters. When you become more of an expert on London education, you will be able to decide more informedly which funding level is right for you, how to find a school that lies in your target range, how to find a school with a long list of benefits, and how to plan long term and which savings you can achieve. You are helping your child excel. With this course, you can truly help your child excel and have an easy start into school life. You take responsibility for its education. You can easily understand the London and British education system, and you will learn all about the key points towards school placement. You will also learn how to involve your child in the placement process, a step sometimes forgotten by busy parents but crucial. You will actively begin to map your specific way forward with the tools suggested.